Energy is essential to our everyday life. It heats our buildings, lights our streets, and powers our companies. But as the world is growing, so does our need for cleaner and more efficient energy. And to achieve that, we need better and more innovative energy products. And that has been our mission for more than 125 years. We make cables and provide solutions to the world's power grid that have been engineered to last and perform in any environment and any situation, every time, every day. Across the many countries where we operate and thousands of projects in which we participate, this is who we are and how we deliver lasting value for our customers. Without the right accessories, a grid will never function to its optimum effect. Accessories are essential to connect, reconnect, and expand the grids across transformers and power stations. Our large portfolio of joints, connections, and terminations has been developed in collaboration with our customers to fit their needs and provide the best possible solutions for their projects.
We are here in Austria, in Tyrol. Here you see two cable systems. It's the connection of a new power plant. We are installing the dry type termination of NKT. It's the first time in Austria that we use these products, and we think dry type terminations are the future.
Our continuous focus is to make our products faster, easier, and safer to install for the benefit of our customers.
NKT is a long-term partner of ETN. We work together for more than 15 years now. It's a very reliable partner.
No matter the project, no matter the country, one thing stays the same: our dedication to providing true value to our customers with the services and products we provide. It is our customers' needs and our ability to provide them with safe and reliable products that keeps us innovative and keeps driving us forward. We take pride in being an essential part of the world's power grid and are passionate about designing sustainable energy solutions for tomorrow. We go wherever we are needed. High sea, the mountains, or the big city. We are there, making sure that every cable, every connection, every termination works perfectly. We are NKT, and our passion brings power to life.